Looking at the Viva Maya by Wyndham, a trademark all-inclusive resort, we're diving into one of the more interesting options in the Riviera Maya area. This property sits in Playa del Carmen and it's part of the Wyndham Hotel family, which means you're getting a recognized brand backing your vacation. The all-inclusive format here is what draws most people in because let's be honest, nobody wants to worry about pulling out their wallet every time they want a snack or a drink by the pool. This resort aims to deliver that carefree vacation experience where everything is bundled into one price, and you can just focus on relaxing, exploring, or whatever else you came to Mexico to do. The property has been designed with a mix of modern comfort and tropical vibes, trying to capture that Caribbean essence while keeping things practical for families, couples, and groups of friends. It's not trying to be the most luxurious resort on the coast, but it's also not cutting corners where it matters. The location gives you easy access to both the beach and the town of Playa del Carmen, which is a pretty sweet spot to be in if you want options beyond the resort grounds. When it comes to accommodations, the Viva Maya offers several room categories to match different needs and budgets. The standard rooms are the entry point, and they come equipped with everything you'd expect from a modern hotel room. We're talking air conditioning, which is absolutely essential in this climate, comfortable beds with quality linens, flat-screen televisions, and private bathrooms with decent shower pressure. The standard rooms typically feature either 2 double beds or 1 king bed, making them suitable for couples or small families. Each room has a balcony or terrace, which is a nice touch because you can step outside in the morning with your coffee and actually feel like you're on vacation. The views vary depending on which building and floor you're on, with some rooms overlooking the gardens, others facing the pool area, and the premium options offering ocean views. Moving up the ladder, the resort offers junior suites that give you more space to spread out. These rooms include a separate seating area, which makes a real difference if you're staying for more than a few days and need somewhere to relax that isn't your bed. The suites come with upgraded amenities, often including a minibar that's restocked daily with water, soft drinks, and beer, plus a coffee maker so you can brew your own cup without heading to the restaurant. Some suites also feature a whirlpool tub on the balcony, which sounds fancy and actually is pretty enjoyable when you're watching the sunset with a drink in hand. For families traveling with kids, the family suites are the way to go. These larger accommodations provide enough room for everyone without feeling cramped, and they usually include conveniences like extra storage space and sometimes a small refrigerator. The resort has also made efforts to provide accessible rooms for guests with mobility challenges, featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and grab bars in the bathrooms. All rooms receive daily housekeeping, and the turn-down service in the evening is a nice touch that makes the space feel more like a hotel than just a place to crash. The decor throughout the rooms leans toward bright, tropical colors with wooden accents, keeping things cheerful without being over the top. One thing worth mentioning is that rooms closer to the pool and entertainment areas can get a bit noisy during peak activity times, so if you're a light sleeper, you might want to request a room in a quieter section of the property. The dining situation at Viva Maya is one of those aspects that can make or break an all-inclusive experience, and this resort takes it seriously with multiple restaurants and bars spread across the property. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a rotating selection of international dishes. You'll find everything from traditional Mexican favorites like tacos and enchiladas to Italian pasta stations, Asian stir-fries, and American comfort food. The buffet setup means you can try a little bit of everything, which is great for picky eaters or people who can't decide what they're in the mood for. The quality is generally solid, though like most buffets, some dishes are better than others and the hot items tend to be fresher during peak dining times. Beyond the buffet, the resort features several specialty restaurants that require reservations. The Italian restaurant serves up classic dishes like wood-fired pizzas, fresh pasta with various sauces, and seafood preparations that lean on Mediterranean flavors. The atmosphere here is a bit more refined than the buffet, with table service and a menu that changes periodically. There's also a Mexican restaurant that goes beyond the typical resort fare, offering regional specialties and traditional preparations that give you a more authentic taste of local cuisine. The steakhouse is where you go when you want a hearty meal, with various cuts of beef cooked to order, along with sides like baked potatoes and grilled vegetables. Seafood lovers will appreciate the dedicated seafood restaurant, which features fresh catches prepared in different styles, from grilled fish to ceviche and shrimp dishes. For Asian cuisine, there's a restaurant serving a mix of Chinese, Japanese, and Thai dishes, giving you options like sushi rolls, pad thai, and stir-fried noodles. Each specialty restaurant has its own ambience and design, which helps break up the routine if you're staying for a week or more. The bars at Viva Maya are scattered throughout the property, making it easy to grab a drink no matter where you are. The main lobby bar is a central gathering spot, especially in the evenings, where bartenders mix tropical cocktails and serve beer, wine, and spirits. The pool bar is probably the busiest during the day, serving cold beers, frozen drinks, and non-alcoholic options for kids and anyone who wants to stay hydrated. There's also a beach bar if the resort has direct beach access, or a bar near the beach club area where you can sip a margarita with your toes in the sand. Some bars offer light snacks and appetizers during the afternoon, which is perfect for holding you over between meals. The sports bar usually features televisions showing international games, creating a lively atmosphere for sports fans who want to catch a match while enjoying a beer. Premium liquor brands are typically available, though some top-shelf options might require an upgrade or additional charge depending on your room category. The coffee bar or cafe serves espresso drinks, cappuccinos, and pastries throughout the day, giving you a caffeine fix whenever you need it. Room service is available, though the menu is usually limited compared to the restaurants, and there might be specific hours when it's offered. The pool scene at Viva Maya is central to the whole resort experience, and you'll probably spend a good chunk of your time here if you're not at the beach. The main pool is a large, freeform design that winds through the property with different sections for various activities. One area is designated for swimming laps or just floating around peacefully, while another section might have more activity with water volleyball or poolside games organized by the entertainment team. The pool depth varies, with shallow areas perfect for young children and deeper sections for adults who want to actually swim rather than just wade. Around the pool deck, you'll find plenty of lounge chairs, though getting your preferred spot can require an early morning claim during peak season, which is a common issue at all-inclusive resorts. The resort provides towels at the pool, so you don't need to bring your own or use the ones from your room. There are several swim-up bars integrated into the pool design, which is always a crowd pleaser because you can order a drink without leaving the water. These bars serve the usual suspects like beer, rum punch, and frozen cocktails, along with soft drinks and water. Some sections of the pool have palapas or shaded areas where you can escape the direct sun while still being close to the action. If you're traveling with kids, there's usually a separate children's pool with a smaller depth and sometimes water features like fountains or small slides that keep the little ones entertained. The pool area tends to be the hub of daytime activity, with music playing and the animation team organizing games, dance lessons, or aqua aerobics classes. As for the beach, if the resort has direct access, you're looking at the beautiful Caribbean coastline with soft white sand and turquoise water. The beach at Playa del Carmen can have some seaweed depending on the season, but the resort typically has staff who clean it regularly to keep the shoreline looking good. Beach chairs and umbrellas are set up for guests, and there's usually a section roped off for swimming where the water is calmer. Water sports are often available, either included in the all-inclusive package or for an additional fee. You might find options like kayaking, paddleboarding, snorkeling, or even sailing on small catamarans. Some resorts in this area offer motorized water sports like jet skiing or parasailing, but these typically come with extra charges. The beach can get crowded during peak hours, especially late morning through mid-afternoon when everyone has finished breakfast and is looking for a spot. Early birds or late afternoon visitors often have better luck finding prime real estate. The water temperature is warm year-round, making it comfortable for swimming without a wetsuit. If the resort doesn't have direct beach access, they usually provide shuttle service to a beach club or partner location where you can enjoy the sand and sea with similar amenities. Activities at Viva Maya go beyond just lounging by the pool or beach, giving you options if you want to stay active or try something new. The fitness center is equipped with cardio machines like treadmills, ellipticals, and stationary bikes, along with free weights and some strength training equipment. It's not a massive gym, but it covers the basics if you want to maintain your workout routine while on vacation. The fitness center usually opens early and stays open until evening, and some resorts offer group fitness classes like yoga, pilates, or aerobics at scheduled times. Tennis courts are available if you're into racket sports, and the resort typically provides equipment if you don't bring your own. Some properties also have beach volleyball courts or organized soccer games on the sand. The entertainment team is pretty active throughout the day, organizing activities like water aerobics in the pool, dance lessons where they teach you salsa or merengue moves, and various games or competitions that range from fun to slightly cheesy, but that's part of the all-inclusive resort charm. Evening entertainment is a big part of the experience, with shows in the main theater or outdoor amphitheater. You might catch live music performances, dance shows featuring local or international themes, or variety shows that mix comedy, acrobatics, and music. The quality of entertainment varies from night to night, but it's generally family-friendly and provides a reason to stick around the resort after dinner. For guests who want to explore beyond the property, the resort's tour desk can arrange excursions to nearby attractions. Popular options include trips to ancient Mayan ruins like Tulum or Coba, visits to ecological parks like Xcaret or Zelha where you can snorkel in cenotes and see wildlife, or adventure activities like ziplining through the jungle or exploring underground rivers. These excursions cost extra, but they're a great way to experience more of what the Riviera Maya has to offer. Some resorts also organize cultural activities on-site, like tequila tasting sessions where you learn about the production process and sample different varieties, or cooking classes where a chef teaches you to make traditional Mexican dishes. The spa at Viva Maya provides a retreat for guests who want to indulge in some pampering and relaxation. The spa menu typically includes a range of massage treatments, from Swedish and deep tissue to hot stone massages that use heated stones to relieve muscle tension. Facials are available using various products and techniques designed to cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin, which can be especially nice after spending time in the sun and salt water. Body treatments like scrubs and wraps use natural ingredients, sometimes incorporating local elements like aloe or coffee, to exfoliate and nourish the skin. Many spas at all-inclusive resorts charge additional fees for treatments, though sometimes there are basic services included in certain room packages or promotional offers. The spa facility usually includes amenities like a sauna and steam room, which guests can use to relax muscles and detox. Some properties have hydrotherapy circuits with different temperature pools, jets, and showers designed to stimulate circulation and promote relaxation. The spa environment is designed to be tranquil, with soft lighting, calming music, and aromatherapy scents that help you disconnect from the outside world. Couples massages are popular for romantic getaways, allowing partners to enjoy treatments side by side in a private room. The spa staff are typically trained professionals who can recommend treatments based on your needs, whether you're dealing with sore muscles from activities, sun exposure, or just general stress. Booking spa appointments in advance is recommended, especially during busy seasons because slots fill up quickly. Wellness programs at the resort might include yoga classes held in peaceful outdoor settings like the beach or a garden area, where you can practice poses while listening to the waves or birds. Some resorts offer meditation sessions or wellness workshops covering topics like nutrition or stress management. The fitness center sometimes hosts specialized classes beyond the standard aerobics, potentially including things like Zumba, spinning, or stretching sessions designed for flexibility and recovery. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.